Looking for the best Coursera courses from Microsoft? In this video, I'll rank the top 3 Microsoft courses on Coursera based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certifications, and career value. Before we begin, if you're planning to take more than one course, check the discount link in the description. Right now, you can get 40% off 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Microsoft 365 Fundamentals. This beginner specialization has a 4.7 out of 5 rating with over 6,000 reviews. You'll learn Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft 365, collaboration tools, and productivity skills. It's an excellent starting point for students, professionals, and office workers. At number 2 is Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. This beginner professional certificate has earned a 4.6 rating from more than 9,500 learners. You'll learn Power BI, SQL, dashboards, data visualization, business intelligence, and analytics. If you're interested in data analysis or business intelligence, this is one of Microsoft's strongest career-focused programs. The number 1 pick is Master Microsoft Office 365 and Power Platform. This specialization has a 4.7 out of 5 rating with over 7,500 reviews. It covers Microsoft 365, Power BI, Power Platform, Excel, Power Automate, Microsoft Copilot, and no-code automation. These are practical skills that employers are actively looking for across many industries. Here's something many learners don't realize. Most individual learning programs on Coursera cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you want to complete several Microsoft certificates, those costs can add up quickly. Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations with one subscription, making it the smarter long-term investment. You can save 40% on your first 3 months and get much more value if you plan to complete multiple courses. And before you enroll, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description.